If you look at the number of cars sold in the United States, women are buying 69% of them.
At first I was really nervous about that, because you walk into a dealership, all men. I mean, there's no women salesmen, no women, hardly anything in there. And so it was a little nerve-wracking, but you're able to gain their respect and they appreciate it because I think women have a good eye for detail.
It is very difficult to work in a male industry, but once you get to know people in the industry, they're kind of open to you. They start realizing that you're not just some chick trying to work on cars.
Well, I think that women leadership in Colors on Parade is equally important to male leadership in Colors on Parade, and that if you didn't have the male counterpart, it would be incomplete. If you didn't have the female counterpart, it would be incomplete. So having both types of wisdom or knowledge or style even, you're really getting a much more well-rounded leadership group.
4 years ago, I became a founding member of the Women in Automotive Conference and Association. Our association started with about 400 people coming to the first conference, and now we do 2 or 3 a year with over 1,500 women coming.
The Women in Automotive conferences, they're giving me opportunities as far as taking classes, additional classes, to learn how to work in other aspects of the industry. The speakers are very helpful. They're very influential.
Women have an important voice that needs to be heard, and I think it's pretty cool that we're seeing women stand up, get behind each other, and help us make that leap into an uncomfortable industry, because I think we can make an impact.
Just because you're a woman doesn't mean you can't get down and hand sand a bumper, or be outside working. You don't have to be sitting in an office at a desk. This is something that you can do and make a sufficient amount of money for yourself. Women are strong. We can do the things that men can do, and we enjoy it, and they're behind you 100%.
Colors on Parade is also offering a Women in Automotive Scholarship, where you can be granted a free franchise. We will pay for your franchising fee, we will pay for your training, and we will pay you during the apprentice program, which is about 3 to 6 months. So we're really behind making sure women have all the tools they need to be successful business owners in the automotive industry.